Advanced Valves, with an experience of over 35 years, is amongst the top 3 reputed made-in-India valve manufacturers, exporting precisely engineered quality products to every continent in the world. Being a pioneer and an innovator, we have to our credit 3 Indian and more than 10 international patents. With our widespread operations and global offices, we cater to clients from various sectors in industrial as well as building applications. Almost every commercial, high-rise, institutional and infrastructure building in India uses our valves. Traditional HVAC systems are prone to be more expensive and time-consuming, be it the first-time installation or in the long run. Insulation of valves and pipes, the most crucial factor for efficiency, is often overlooked. Typically, valve insulation done at site is labor-intensive, time-intensive and expensive. Even the quality is not of acceptable standards. Such inadequate insulation, resulting in heat loss, demands more energy to maintain temperature, eventually increasing the long-term running costs. On the other hand, pre-insulated valves come with manufacturer's guarantee, bearing higher quality and longer life. Not to mention an overall cost benefit due to time and labor saved on installation and regular maintenance. Advanced Valves, the pioneer in valve technology, brings to you its globally patented valves with pre-insulation. These valves come completely assembled from the factory and do not require any insulation or construction of individual valve box at the site. Let's take a look at the key features of advanced valve designs that uses polyisocyanurate for insulation. PIR insulation is done around the valve, followed by an HDPE cladding around the PIR. We provide standalone valves that fit into standard flanges and also valves that are pre-assembled with flanges and tailpieces that just need welding at the site. And with ambient conditions of 35 degrees Celsius, 85% RH and 0 wind velocity, which is adequate even for building shafts on the Indian coastline. Insulation design is done to achieve zero condensation, even with the higher delta-T system in warm coastal conditions. The temperature inside the insulation is designed for 6 degrees Celsius chilled water. The usage of PIR with HDPE is a standard insulation that qualifies for fire performance as per BS 476 Part 5. Such valves with pre-insulation also come with a host of other benefits, ranging from long-term factory warranty, rapid installation, to long life and easy serviceability. All in all, implementation of valves with pre-insulation promises savings in terms of energy, cost and time. Advanced Valves, changing the way you think about valves.